Samsung actually revealed the Galaxy Z Trifold, but I've just made a cardboard style Z Trifold to explain in detail about the Z Trifold design. Although Z Fold 7 is on a really good deal from Samsung right now, which you can avail from prior listed in this video. So this is the official reveal for the Galaxy Z Trifold under a glass and showcase how you can unfold and fold the design. But let me share what I have made in the meantime. So this is the exactly 10.1 inches that I've made, and this is how the phone will gonna look like in your hands. In a trailer video or the showcase video, Samsung just showed us this is how, from the left side first and from the right side after that. So these are the cameras. You have to flip the phone to actually get the cover display of the phone, because the phone will gonna look like this. The display in the middle, on the left side we got the cameras and on the right we got nothing. We already got this in a One UI 8 videos, and now what you're gonna do is either what you do is this way and then this way to get the cover display, or what you can do is from the left first and from the right after that you get the cameras, flip the phone, and you got the cover display of the Galaxy Z Trifold. I've already got the iPad 4th generation. I'll just compare the Z Trifold with that, and I'm quite surprised that this phone is actually bigger than that. Let me just quickly show you. So this is the Galaxy Z Trifold. As you can see, the cameras. So this is the Z Trifold, and this is the iPad 4th generation that I have. And if we compare it, let me just quickly put it here, exactly like this, and you can see the Z Trifold is actually bigger in size compared to the iPad 4th generation that we have here. So even the side by side, this got really big bezels. Look at that, a really big bezel, but this phone don't have that much of a big bezel. So we got a much bigger display on the Galaxy Z Trifold at 10.1 inches. And if we just do this way, this is a complete phone and a very handy phone. Look at this way. And this is actually a 6.5 inches display. Even look at this. The 6.5 inches almost closer to the iPad 1/2. So I feels like this is a really good phone, but Samsung is actually making a limited launch, which is like a little bit of a downside for this phone. But yeah, 3 cameras on the back. We already got the camera information I'm gonna share in a moment, but yeah, this is a really good and a really handy phone. The cameras are where things are looking amazing for the Z Trifold. We saw 100x zoom option in the Z Trifold. This means till now, foldables don't have 100x zoom and used only 3x telephoto sensor. But Z Trifold will going to get a new and updated sensor to give us 100x zoom. Also, if you notice or not, we're going to get a 200 megapixel main sensor. This will complete this device. I mean, if you're paying that much amount of money, you will going to get everything premium. Still, there's a gap for durability because it's foldable. Else, Samsung is going right with this device of a Z Trifold. And matching the cameras with the S lineup would make this phone truly shine. 200 megapixel main sensor like the S25 Ultra and 100x zoom, which is only available on S lineup like the S25 Ultra and previous S lineup, would appeal to more people. But there is one downside: the price of this phone.